Now, so this is the formula which you need to understand. Okay. So as far as the flame or the burn injury is considered, in adults or children older than 14 years old, it's 2 ml RL into kg of the patient into percentage total body surface area. Okay. Usually we say it is 4 ml, right? That's called as a Parkland formula. But Parkland formula by various studies has come to a conclusion that it is actually over-resuscitating the patient, right? So as we already mentioned, over-resuscitation is equally harmful. It is for that reason ATLS has clearly mentioned it is 2 ml RL per into kg into percentage total body surface area. Okay. So you need to start with this, and whatever calculation comes, you need to divide that into 2. Divide that into 2. The first half goes in 8 hours, first 8 hours. The second half goes in next 16 hours. Okay, this is the way you need to give fluids for this patient. Okay, and when you are giving this, you need to also monitor the urine output. Make sure the urine output is at least 0.5 ml per kg per hour. Okay, so this is one way of looking at it. The second thing is you need to see whether the body is accepting it. So the patient should not go in fluid overload. So how are you going to do that? Just auscultate the chest. If there are more amount of crepitations, it means that the patient is going in volume overload as well. Okay. So you can have other signs also. You can measure the CVP. You can see, look at the IVC. All these things can give you a rough idea about are you over-resuscitating the patient. Okay. So this is the formula for RLs. If it's a children less than 14 years old, it's 3 ml ringer lactate into kg total body weight into percentage total body surface area and maintain a urine output of 1 ml per kg per hour. Okay. In infant or young children less than 30 kgs are considered, it's almost the same. It's 3 ml RL into kg into percentage total body surface area, maintaining a urine output of 1 ml per kg per hour. Okay. So why these two are given separately is that in infants and in young children less than 30 kgs, the liver will not be that much developed to support with gluconeogenesis, right? So you need to add some sugar. So here in infants and young children, you are going to plus a sugar containing solution at a maintenance rate. Okay. But in electrical injury for all ages, it is just like a Parkland formula where it is 4 ml RL into the kg of the patient into percentage total body surface area until the urine clears. Okay. Then you can put them on maintenance dose. The target is going to be 1 to 1.5 ml per kg per hour until the urine clears. Okay. So in electrical injury, it is 4 ml RL into kg into percentage total body surface area. Okay, this is the formula. So we are telling about the percentage of the body burnt, right? So this is for the pediatric population. The head carries around 9% at the back, 9% at the front, and 4.5 for each arm for the back, and 4.5 for each arm at the front, 13% at the back, 18% at the front, and 5% for the total 2 buttock, and 7 each at back of the leg, 7 each at the front of the leg. This adds towards 100%. Okay. So for adult, the head, comparatively compared to the adult, the infant, the pediatric age group, the head has a larger surface area. So we are giving 9% here, whereas we are giving only 4.5% here. Okay. 4.5% anterior front and 4.5 at the back. 18% at the front of the trunk and 18% at the back. And 4.5 for each limb at the back, 4.5 each limb at the front, and 9% for the legs, 9% for the legs. Okay. You can totally remember as one leg totally front and back is 18. Other leg front and back is 18. Okay. Both the hand, this is 9, this is 9. So totally it is again 18. So we have covered 318, right? And this is the 4th 18 and this is the 5th 18. So there are 5 into 18. Along with that, you have one more 9 here, 4.5 plus 4.5. So we have plus 1 9 and the perineum, that is 1. So totally it adds up to 100. Okay.